Hello everyone, and welcome to Mr. Simplifies tutorials. In this video we're going to look at the extended marketing mix. So what is the marketing mix to begin with? The marketing mix is a combination of factors that can be controlled by an organization to influence consumers to purchase its products or services. So it's essentially about making your organization's product or services desirable for a consumer in a certain way. And why is it called a mix? That's because there are several elements to it. There are 7 elements to the extended marketing mix, and each element needs to work together with the other elements to achieve the desired result. Now let's look at the 7 P's of marketing, or also called the extended marketing mix. Now originally the original marketing mix consisted of 4 P's, and then it was extended to have 7 P's, and thereby it being called the extended marketing mix. It consists of product, place, price, and promotion, which are the original 4 P's, and then people, process, and physical environment, which are the last 3 P's. Now let's look at the original 4 P's to begin with. Product. This represents the actual product or the service that the customer buys. Place is a representation of how the product or service is distributed to the customer. Price is the actual price for the product or service, and promotion is how a customer is found for the relevant product or service that you have on offer. Now the elements of the extended mix. People. Now this element represents the people who actually deal with the customer to deliver the product or the service. Process represents the systems or the processes in place used to deliver the product or service to the end consumer. Physical environment deals with the actual physical environment that the customer interacts in, and effectively how this affects or enhances the experience of marketing the product and service to the end consumer. So to make it all easier for you, let's look at an example. Let's look at the famous coffee chain Starbucks Coffee. Now, if we look at the original 4 P's, in terms of product, the flagship product of Starbucks is its expertly roasted and richly brewed coffee. When you think of Starbucks, you actually memorize, or you actually think about the lovely smell of coffee, I would say. And then they do have other products, including specialty teas, cakes, cookies, muffins, pastries, etc. Now, in terms of place, Starbucks actually operates in over 70 countries and has a number of stores across the world. It has a number of drive-through stores across the world too. Price-wise, Starbucks operates a sort of a premium pricing policy. So it looks at its products to be of a higher quality than the competitors, and therefore operates at a premium price level. Promotion. Starbucks spends a huge amount of money on advertising and also runs loyalty programs to encourage repeat customers. Now, in terms of people, Starbucks is a large organization and therefore employs a lot of people, and a lot of the ground staff or employees are trained to interact with customers and address any issues that they face during their transactions. In terms of the process, if you consider the traditional cafe environment, a typical customer interaction starts with an employee greeting a customer, taking an order, and ensuring that it's delivered as soon as possible and to the customer's satisfaction. The physical environment here includes the store designs, the logo, coffee cups, the tissues, etc. And Starbucks has an approach to store design such that there is an emphasis on ensuring that each store looks like it is in tune with the location and the local culture. Okay, hopefully the important concept of the extended marketing mix was simplified for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment. And as always, thank you very much for your attendance to this video, and like this video and support the content on this channel for more regular content. Thank you very much. Take care.